It's that magical time of year again here in Central California. It's strawberry season. From April to June, it's strawberry everything around here. We go through flats and flats of these juicy red beauties all season long. Anything that can be made from strawberries, we give it a try. From jam, strawberries and shortcake, smoothies, salads and dressings. If it can be made with strawberries, I'm making it. But do you want to know what I really love? Growing my own strawberries right in the yard. Strawberries are so easy to grow. They love the sun. They need well-drained soil. They are happy in raised garden beds. Even containers and hanging baskets. I even tuck them between other flowers. It is like getting little treats when you pick your flowers. And here's a fun bonus. They double as ground cover. As they spread, they send out little runners that root and grow into new plants. It's nature's way of giving you more strawberries and keeping weeds down. Now, let's talk about why you want strawberries in your life beyond the taste. These little fruits pack some serious health benefits. 10 health benefits of fresh strawberries. High in vitamin C, great for your immune system. Packed with antioxidants, helps fight inflammation. Supports heart health by lowering bad cholesterol. I would rather eat strawberries than medications, wouldn't you? May help regulate blood sugar. Boosts skin health. Collagen loves vitamin C. Naturally low in calories and high in fiber. Good for eye health. Promotes brain health and memory. Can help reduce blood pressure. They're just plain happy food, sweet, juicy, and refreshing. But here's the deal. Strawberries are one of the most heavily sprayed crops when it comes to pesticides. That's why it's always best to buy them from a local farmer you trust, someone who can tell you what they're using on their fields. Or better yet, grow your own. Whether you buy or grow, always wash your strawberries really well before eating. Here's how I wash mine. Fill a bowl or sink with cool water. Add a splash of white vinegar, about 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, and let the berries soak for a few minutes. Swish them gently, then rinse with clean water and let them dry on a towel. This helps remove dirt, bacteria, and a good amount of pesticide residue. So, whether they're filling your garden or just your belly, strawberries are one of the sweetest parts of spring. Plant a few, or a lot, and let the season fill you up with flavor, health, and happiness. I'll be here, soaking up strawberry season one bite at a time. Be sure to subscribe to get the lowdown on all kinds of real food for real life. Check out these videos here. Bye for now. See you in the next video.